Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Sorry, some app just popped in, and that's an Angel number related app. So I hope everybody is doing good, and it's a new day, new beginning. It's 3rd of May 2020, which is basically um, number 3 energy which is prevalent today. Yesterday it was 2, it's more of a Vatsalya. The people who left Vatsalya yesterday had to suffer. And number 3 is the Guru energy today, which is Jupiter. जुपिटर एनर्जी आज प्रेवलेंट है, जिसका मतलब है गुरु, जिसका मतलब है जो आपको सिखाता है। और गुरु कोई भी हो सकता है। राजा जनक के गुरु 8 साल के अष्टावक्र थे, छोटे छोटे गुरु। और राजा बलि को कृष्णा अवतार ने बहुत कुछ सिखाया था। तो आपका गुरु कोई भी हो सकता है, किसी भी एज का हो सकता है। ओम श्री साई नाथाय नमः एक किताब है जो मैं रेफ़र करता हूँ हमेशा। इट्स लाइक बेसिकली योर क्वेश्चंस एंड साईं बाबा's आंसर. I got it from Shirdi. So let's see what this book is saying about today, and what I every day do. I invite 10 people to come online. So let's see which are the people who can join us online. So I'm inviting those 10 people right now. It's pretty early in this lockdown, and we have successfully completed yet the 3rd of May, and lockdown has been extended from 4th of May till 17th of May. It's a very good decision by Government of India, because on 18th of May your प्लैनेट वीनस, जो वीनस होगा वो अस्त हो जाएगा, डेबिलिएटेड हो जाएगा। तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपकी फैमिली लाइफ अफेक्ट होगी। तो मेरी प्रिडिक्शन ये है कि 17 मई को दोबारा से लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड किया जाएगा 18 से 28 मई तक, 10 दिन के लिए। उसके बाद 29 मई से थिंग्स चेंज होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। सो बस द मैसेज फ्रॉम साईं बाबा, यू आर हैविंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फेट. Everybody who is watching and who will watch it later on, they are having a strong faith. Its number is 707, which is 414, which is number 5. So the message is related to your money. The time of your achievement is fast approaching. Try with enthusiasm and you will succeed. Worship Sri Sai Baba daily with devotion and patience. The work which would otherwise be impossible will be done by Sai Baba's blessings. If you pray Sai Baba with true feelings, then Sai Baba will surely bless you. Offer a coconut 1 kilo. Okay, so offer a coconut and 1 kg in 2, and 50 grams of sweets, 1.25 kilograms of sweets in the temple of Sri Sainath, and distribute this to poor. You will get help and your work will be done. You may take up a journey also. एक यात्रा भी शुरू हो सकती है. You are being remembered. Be careful not to forget the final points decided. Have faith in your personality and perceive the results will be favorable. Ask Lord Shiva to forgive you in the temple. God is very kind. He or she does not delay in forgiving. One sin done by him is creating obstructions in your work. You will not succeed without praying God to forgive you for the sin. Let everybody do their job. Give one's belonging to him and you will be, or you will be in trouble. So patiently remember Sri Sai Baba and take the righteous path so that you don't have any problem. Make your respect as self-respect and not your ego. Take refuge in Sai Baba. After giving up your ego, everything will become all right. देखिए, बेसिकली फॉरगिवनेस प्रेयर बहुत ज़रूरी है. फॉरगिवनेस प्रेयर हम लोग करेंगे. ओम नमः शिवाय. हे परम तत्व शिव, जो मुझसे गलती हुई आप प्लीज़ मुझे उसके लिए माफ़ करिए. मुझे जो जो चीज़ें फ़ील हुई और जो जो मैंने उस गलती की वजह से भोगा, उसकी वजह से जो मेरे अंदर गलत भावनाएं आई, उसके लिए मैं आपको माफ़ करता हूँ. I forgive you, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. So this is called Ho'oponopo prayer, which is for forgiveness. So as per the book which I was going through, Sai Baba, your questions and Sai Baba's answer. So, as per number 3, which is 3rd of May 2020, which is basically a Jupiter Hora. The basic idea is to forgive yourself and forgive others, and take refuge in any of your teachers. Teacher can be of any age. अष्टावक्र छोटे से थे 8 साल के, तो उन्होंने राजा जनक को ब्रह्म ज्ञान दिया. राजा तक्षक को भी ब्रह्म ज्ञान मिला. जब उनको ये पता चल गया कि 1 हफ्ते में उनकी डेथ होने वाली है, तो ही went to listen to भागवत कथा, and this made him go through all that pain without even thinking that something will happen. So इसी के साथ हम लोग रीडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो कार्ड्स जो मेरे पास है, which I am normally using today, I call it print read. Oracle cards हैं, spirit animal oracle है. तो let's see which animal is supporting us today. So आज हमें कौन सा एनिमल सपोर्ट कर रहा है? तो आज एनिमल जो हमें सपोर्ट कर रहा है 3 मई 2020 को, 3rd of May 2020, which animal spirit is supporting us? So let's see what comes up. So the first card is 3 and 1. Look at it. Okay, so 3 is Jupiter and 1 is Sun. So it's yatra from 3 to 1. What is yatra from 3 to 1? 3 से 1 की यात्रा, गुरु से लेके यात्रा सूर्य की तरफ, गुरु से लेके यात्रा आपके किंग मेकर, गुरु किंग मेकर है. ठीक है, जब तक आपको अच्छी स्टडीज़ नहीं मिलेगी, जब तक आपको अच्छी नॉलेज नहीं मिलेगी, स्टडी मतलब 1 2 3 4 5 नहीं, स्टडी मतलब जब तक आप अच्छे से खुद को समझोगे नहीं, लोगों को नहीं समझोगे, तब तक आपका किंग होना व्यर्थ है और आप किंग बन भी नहीं सकते. सो इट्स बेसिकली ग्राउंड हॉग स्पिरिट विच टाइम टू लेट गो. जो भी आपके साथ बुरा हुआ है, फॉरगिवनेस मैंने जो प्रेयर बताई, जो भी आपके साथ बुरा हुआ है, इट्स टाइम टू लेट गो. उस चीज़ को भूल जाइए, लोगों को माफ़ कर दीजिए, लोगों से माफ़ी मांग लीजिए. अगर पॉसिबल नहीं है फिज़िकली माफ़ी मांगना, आप फॉरगिवनेस प्रेयर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, फॉरगिवनेस प्रेयर कुछ नहीं है. आप सोचिए उस इंसान के बारे में और उसको बोलिए कि मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए. तो ये फील करिए वो इंसान कह रहा है इट्स ओके, टोटली ओके, आई फॉरगिव यू, प्लीज़ फॉरगिव मी, थैंक यू, आई लव यू. I forgive you, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. Okay, so this is the first card for today, which is basically letting go. So let's see what the second card says about today. So the second card is basically Rabbit Spirit. So Rabbit Spirit is number 4 and 9. 9 plus 4 is basically, 4 is Rahu, 9 is Mars. So it's Yatra. This was 3 to 1 Yatra, and this is 4 to 9 Yatra. 4 is Rahu, which is illusion. 9 is Mars, मतलब basically आपकी which is basically your fire energy. 4 plus 9 is number 4, which is Rahu. So when your guru is strong, you will go to the next level, which is you will go to the you will basically go to a next level, which is the next level will be fighting for the king, fighting for the kingdom. So Rabbit Spirit says that now is a lucky time. If you are thinking to start something, if you are thinking to say sorry to somebody, if you are thinking to forgive somebody and forget and let go, then this is the right time where you should do it. Okay, so let's see what the third card belongs to. So the third card, as per the Spirit Animal Oracle by Colette Plain Red, so the third card is this Squirrel Spirit. Look at this, how wonderful it is. It is basically believe in yourself, which is 5 and 7, which is number 3. 5 is your intellect, 7 is your barag, 7 is your spirituality, height of your spirituality. 7 is this kind of spirituality where people leave you. They leave you alone because they don't know what needs to be done with you. You're totally impossible for them. So 5 plus 7, which is number 12, which is number 1 plus 2 is number 3. So which is again what 3rd May 2020 says today. Respect your teachers, respect your mentors, respect somebody who gives knowledge to you. So Squirrel Spirit says believe in yourself, basically believing in what you are doing. If you are doing it correct, if you are letting go everything, if you think that it's time to let go, if as per you it's the lucky time, then believe in yourself. So Do not be egoistic. Believing in yourself means self-respect, respecting your own self. That is important. So now, so this is what the cards for today as per the animal oracle. But yes, I will take out cards from other decks also, because I feel like that I should be doing it today. So before that, let me share the link for my YouTube channel, where you can subscribe to, and you can watch my previous live videos also, and this video also for sure, because I'll be uploading this video there if you want to have a personal connect. So if you want to have a personal consultation, then you can catch me on my number, which is +91 7011560905. You can WhatsApp me your details, what details I'll require: your date of birth, your latest photograph, and your full name, so that I can apply numerology, I can apply aura reading, I can apply tarot, I can apply Access Power Consciousness by Gary Douglas and Dr. Dean here. I can apply your Silva Mind Control. I can apply Angel Therapy by Dorian Virtue. I can apply your Aura Clearing by Christine. She's from Scotland. I can apply your Past Life Regression by Dr. Brian Weiss from Omega Institute, or by Past Life by Dr. Tripti Jain. She is a psychologist and PhD in psychology and past life regression. So you know what? Whosoever comes to your life as a mentor, as a guide, you always trust that person. It's always, nothing is and a particular, nothing comes to your life just by chance. Nobody sees any video, nobody goes into any live video just by chance. It's somebody, the teacher you are looking for, it's somebody you are trying to forgive, it's somebody you are trying to let go of. Only three things in our life which affect us very highly. One is relationship with ourselves, with others. We are trying to find happiness in others without valuing our own happiness. That's what COVID-29 has taught us, that we can be happy alone. Second thing is our finances, which are hit very badly. The poor people are hit by finances so much that we are lucky people. We have light, we have internet, we have all the facilities at home. But the people who don't have any home, and my heart just goes, it's kind of hole in my heart. That's why I do consultation with a huge sum of money, which is INR 15,000, so that I can go out and help those people. So that kindness should be there inside you, for the animals, for the for the whole planet in this COVID 2019. And the third thing which is important right now is forgiveness, your kindness, your love, your compassion. And the third thing which affects you the most is your health, because in COVID 2019 people don't know the symptoms, they don't know what is happening to them, they don't know what's happening to their families. So we should be very, very kind hearted and give them the kind of help which we can provide to them, in terms of money, in terms of kind, in terms of knowledge, in terms of whatever possible. Please provide help to them. Okay. So with this, let me take out other cards also. I have normal tarot cards, okay, which are used in centuries ago. I have Keepers of Light card by Kyle Gray, who is from UK, London. I have Dorian Virtue and Valentine's card, which are angel tarot cards. And I have Bhagavad Gita oracle cards. And I have your Archangel Michael cards, which provide us the daily prayers. So let me take out one card each. So let's see what the cards are telling us about 3rd of May 2020. So 3rd of May 2020, first card says is 9. It represents a woman, it represents a soul who is alone but has a lot of money. A divorced soul. Divorced soul, that's somebody who is having relationship issues and who was not able to forgive and move ahead. So it is resonating well with somebody who is watching this video right now, or maybe later. Letting go. They are not letting go. They did not let go. So they did not forgive anybody. It's a soul who is monetary very strong at a high position but alone. Okay, so this loneliness needs to be broken. This COVID-19, we need to break the loneliness. So the next card from this, okay, so it says of what again, a lonely women, which says that inflow of abundance is there. Definitely that's what this card says. Some new business venture, inflow of abundance, promising business venture could be there. Important document or contracts you might be signing. So it's more of a earth energy in the balance. Earth energy. With what energy? Earth energy. Pentacles are earth. This is earth. Okay. So this is what the card says. So now let's see what the keepers of light tell about today to the lady, to the person who is watching this video right now or maybe later. Forgiveness. Look at it. How wonderful that Jesus Christ has arrived from the Christianity. It's not about Christianity, it's about Jesus Christ. How beautiful the card says. Forgiveness. It says you are on the path of light, love, and forgiveness. Father, healing is possible at this time. If you have some issues with your father, it could be Jesus Christ who is trying to tell you, forgive him. Forgive your bosses. Forgive everybody. Forgive everybody. Today it's the time to forgive your teachers. Even the people who are against you, they are your biggest teachers. Always remember that. Okay. So let's see what the Bhagavad Gita oracle says. Lord Krishna. Let's see. Okay. So here you go. It's wise. What do you mean by wise? Wise is working. Wise is your teacher. Wise is you if you take the help from the universe, from the teacher. So it basically says, look at the card. How beautifully the card. Oh, this is flowing out. So let both of them, look at them. He is singing and flute music, and he is, having this Sai Baba kind of look, that Allah Malik kind of, that everything belongs to the God. So it's wise. Wise means if you be part of the whole universe, and if everybody is happy with you, maybe you forgive somebody or you learn from somebody, then you become wise and you become part of the nature, and nature is you and you are nature. So this is what Kanha is all about. This is what Lord Krishna is all about. So how wonderful the cards are. And one card came like Radha. Okay. So it basically says patience. Have patience. Things will be better. Have patience. Everything will open up. Have patience. People will not leave you. Have patience. Only those will stay who are meant to stay. Have patience. Have patience. थोड़ा सा तो patience रखो. Little patience in your life, that will bring in lot of miracles. So with this, with this I have one more message for you, which is May 3rd. Okay, let me read it out for you. It is like he's showing direction to somebody. It is basically Sri Ram is making Setu, a kind of bridge on the Indian Ocean, so that he can cross the Indian Ocean from India to Sri Lanka to bring the Sita back. Sita is your inner wisdom. So it's Krishna can change anything. Therefore, we worship him as the greatest scientist. If a man knows swimming, he can stay up. So if a man has his power, much power, what to speak of God? So if a man has this much power, what to speak of God? If a man has this much power of wisdom, how much power a God can have? So we see that Ramchandra has the art how to make stones float. It is a question of knowing the art. Art means the display of intellectual energy. So basically, everywhere we can see intelligence in everything. So the Lord knows the art of everything. So he can change anything we cannot. Letter to Rupanga, May 3, 1972. So this is what the message for 3rd of May says. This is what the Sai Baba is talking about your wisdom, about respecting your guru, about respecting your teachers and mentors, about respecting your own self, creating self-respect. Do not have ego. Try forgiveness with Jesus Christ. Try to be wise. Try to have patience. Try to work on your finances and earth energy. Try to work on your root chakra. Try to have some patience. Try to be wise. Try to let go. Try to have try to understand this is lucky time. Believe in yourself. Respect your time and others' time. And with that, you can always get in touch with me on on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel which I've recently started. I need your support. I have shared my YouTube channel link here. It would be great if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates. Oh my god, it sounds so cliche that press the bell icon, you will get all the updates. You know that, right? So with this, if you want any personal consultation, I have shared my number, which is +917011560905. With that, let me close this session with a message that forgive yourself, serve others, because serving is caring. So, are you ready to serve? Are you ready? Are you ready? Come with me. Good morning, friend.